Right. We've picked up a suspect, but he's got an alibi, so we're going to need a positive ID.
Right.
I want you to tell me the story again, but this time I'll stop you if I've got any questions.
Yeah, okay, but I'm not feeling too hot, like, you know.
Sure. So you left the building. What time was it?
11:30, 11:45. First pickup of the day.
So I said to him, listen, son, either you're going to use that gun or you're going to put it away. But don't point a firearm at me again. I bloody did, you know. Bloody did. We was up on the roof having our tea, listening to the radio. You want that apple, do you?
Anyone else in the street? Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. This bird walked past with a kid in a pushchair. We give him a little wave, didn't we? Me and you give him a little wave. Hello there. Hiya. How are you? Lovely day. Hello.
There were these builders shouting at me from the roof.
Oi, Saucy, get your tits out. What up?
We were just about to get back in when I heard a screech of tyres and a car came round the corner.
What kind of car?
Oh, it was a black Sierra.
It's a Cavalier.
Was it?
Yeah, it's a Cavalier. Do you remember?
Oh, yeah, no, it's a Cavalier. Doing about 90 it was, round a corner.
He came spinning up in front of us, blocked the entrance.
It was a beautiful wheel spin.
Did you see the number plate?
No. There's no time.
Couldn't see it.
I think it ended in D.
The doors opened up, 3 blokes come flying out.
Did you see their faces?
No, they had masks on, like plastic celebrity masks.
You fuck off!
I just stood there, couldn't move.
Did you notice anything? Hair colour, skin colour?
Yeah, looked like a bunch of darkies to me. I couldn't swear on it though, you know what I mean?
White. The one by us was definitely white.
White men, white overalls. They surrounded the van, and then one of them comes tearing up to the passenger window wearing that mask like the king.
What king?
The king, you know. Elvis.
You ain't nothing but a hound.
It was banging and banging. I thought it was going to come through.
This motherfucker!
Did they say anything?
Yeah, the one round the far side kept shouting, "Get out the fucking van!
Get out the fucking van!
Get out the van.
Get out the fucking van!"
Did he have an accent?
Yeah, Birmingham, wasn't it? Yeah, Birmingham.
Get out the fucking van!
I told the kid to sit tight, you know. Play it cool like.
The driver was shitting himself.
He kept shouting, "Don't shoot, don't shoot."
Don't shoot! Don't shoot me!
Well, it must have been 6 foot plus, you know. Big blokes.
Average size. Oh yeah, mind you, we were up on the roof.
Do you remember any other details? Was he wearing gloves? Do you remember his shoes? What colour were his eyes?
I don't remember.
Well, how close did you get? Was he wearing aftershave?
Look, all I know is he had a mask, he was quite tall, and he had overalls.
Okay. What's his name? Max? Max? Hello, Max.
Hello.
Do you remember what happened today?
Yeah.
Can you remember a man running towards you?
Yeah.
Do you remember what he looked like?
Yeah.
What did he look like, Max?
I'm like a grey monkey.
The lad couldn't shut the door. The guy pulled it open and they started fighting. And then everything seemed to go into slow motion.
Get on the fucking radio! Get the police!
They kept fighting and shouting at each other.
I'm sorry, get on the fucking radio! Don't shoot at them! There was a bit of a scrap, like. Out of the phone!
Then the gun went off.
The one on the far side shot him. Bang, bosh, wallop.
Right in the stomach.
He went down. Bang. That was it.
They must have panicked because they all got back into the car.
Bosh, into Sierra, quick wheel spin and gone.
Cavalier.
Cavalier, yeah. He was lying on the floor. Bleeding like, you know. I tried a bit of first aid, but you know. There was nothing I could do. He'd taken the full force in the stomach. The woman came over to see if I was all right. And then I blacked out.
Take your time.
I told you I didn't see any of their faces.
But just have a look, eh?
Sorry, I can't tell. It all happened so quick.
I thought they were blacks.
Well, they were all wearing masks.
One at the end.
Which end?
That end?
I told you everything, mate. Can't help you.
Can we go home now?
No idea, mate.
Shall I let him go now, boss? Do you recognise any of these men, Max?
Yeah.
Where?
I'm like grey monkey.
Oh yeah, that tattoo. Green monkey.
Summer's over, our love is over. To lose that love was such a sin. Remember then. Remember then. Remember. Our love is in the past. Where has it gone so fast? Why couldn't our love last? I'm broken hearted now. Since we have parted now, my mind wanders now and then. Remember then. Remember then.